Lithomondi, Ramogi TV.
Wadhi nyime piny owacho kod riwruok mar piny mangima matayo chenro mag dongruok UNDP oketo winjruok mar chiwo andika mar ma itimo e yo manyasani. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar ndiko oganda Julius Bitok owacho ni winjruok ma kamano en okang' maduong' e chenro mar ndiko kata andika ma otisi ni maisha namba, kama oganda biro yudo namba moyiedhi kata unique personal identifier miluongo ni UPI. Chenro ni ibiro yangi tarik 2 dwe mar apar higani.
Which ensures that we deliver this. Digital ID, which we are talking about here, is the foundation of access of digital services or online services. We have launched 5,000 services, but the consumption of those services is hinged around digital identity, that we have to get a digital ID that is very accurate so that Kenyans can, at their convenience of their homes, enjoy the 5,000 services that were launched on the e-citizen.
To ensure that Kenya can benefit from the promise of digital transformation. And this, if you will, I think is one of, if not potentially the most important enabler, right? The idea of this, beyond the shiny things that come or are associated with technology, is that we want to make sure that nobody is left behind. And if you will, the evidence is clear. Digital transformation, be it at the level of an enterprise, be it at the level of a government, comes not just with opportunity, but with many risks.